Today, we're going to take you through the process of changing a 4-point chin strap on a Pacific F15 structural firefighting helmet. To get easier access to the chin strap, we're first going to remove the headband. It is attached to the liner in 4 positions, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. Grip the first attachment point firmly and pull upwards to release. Repeat the process on the remaining 3 attachment points. Let's move on to changing the chin strap. Remove the 4 white rivets holding the front of the chin strap. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop the rivet out. There are 2 on each side. Unscrew the centre screw holding the rear T-bracket to the liner. Then unscrew the 2 screws holding the T-bracket to the chassis. Pull the chin strap out for cleaning or replacement. Pacific Helmets and Pac Fire recommend that you use new screws and rivets when replacing the chin strap on your F15. The chin strap screw set B21-09538 includes all the fasteners you require for this process. Insert the T-bracket on the chin strap into the helmet between the shell and the liner. Ensure the side with the raised notch around the screw hole is pointing toward the inside of the helmet. Attach to the liner using the slightly domed screw. Reattach the T-piece of the bracket by replacing the 2 flatter screws. Be sure not to over-tighten. Insert the chin strap tab into the corresponding slot in the helmet's liner. Replace the rivets by pressing firmly until they pop into place. Clip the headband back into the liner using the 4 anchor points. Grip the ribbon firmly and press down until you hear it click into place. Repeat the process with the other 3 anchor points. A full list of all the parts shown and used in this video is linked in the description box below. Pac Fire stocks a large range of spare parts for the Pacific Helmets branded helmets. You can shop online by going to pacfire.com.au, clicking on helmets and then spare parts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.